Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the reservoir and hose. You want clean water and a secure connection. Once attached, orient the bite valve so it faces your mouth naturally. This reduces twisting and leaks. You bite gently. The valve opens under pressure, letting water flow. Make sure the cover snaps closed after use to keep dirt out. If you're cycling or hiking, position the hose so gravity assists flow. This improves sip control and prevents gurgling. Once you've started, fine-tune your sip technique. Bite, then suck. Short, firm bites give steady flow without gulping. If you need more water, squeeze the reservoir briefly. This forces fluid through the valve and prevents repeated biting. Make sure the hose runs downward to avoid air pockets. If you get a bubble, open the purge or tip the pack to remove it. And remember, clean mouth contact reduces bacterial transfer, so rinse the valve after prolonged use. To finish, close the cover and leave the hose downhill so any remaining water drains out. Then dismantle and clean the mouthpiece with warm, soapy water. Make sure you air dry the reservoir and hose completely. Moisture breeds mold, so storing dry is essential, or refrigerate for odor control. If you notice a leak, inspect the hose connection and O-ring, reseat the hose, and replace a cracked bite valve. As a quick fix, a tight wrap of thread tape can stop small drips until you replace parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.